Hello guys, welcome to the Plastotech English. So guys, after a long time I am just came up with this video, and this is a series of video in which I am going to tell you about the entire pages of PLC, because to know about the PLC is very important, as these type of videos I have already started in our Plastotech Hindi. So people are just every students wants this in English also. So I'm here to present all those things in English too. So guys, do share our video, and please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for the latest notification. So guys, I'm starting this particular video. As you can see, this is a particular page of a PLC. In this particular page, just follow my mouse. You can see clearly the arrow of my mouse. You have to follow this, and I will just explain each and everything, and you will let to learn about each and every single detail. So this is a monitor page, the main page, the home page, you may say. Each and every machine has its different name, and this particular machine has monitor. Somehow in your machine it can also be the home page. So in what are the things in this particular page that I'm going to tell you right now. At the top of this particular page, you can see there it has been written as info alarm. That means you are being informed with an alarm, which type of alarm you are getting right now in your machine. That is back safety gate open. Right now we have alarm of back safety gate open, so we can clearly see that this you may say that it's an status bar for all those things. And now you can see a mold, the figure of mold. That means here it has been written as 537.4. That means it tells you about the mold position, the exact position of your mold. And here you can see that an barrel and screw is there, so it will tell the position of your screw. That you can see here, for example, here it has been mentioned as 200.17. That means your screw position is 200.17 mm. Now next is ejector. This particular thing you can see it as an ejector. This is ejector position. Here you for example, right now here it is 0.0. Somehow that shows the position of your ejector, at what position your ejector is right now. Now coming to next, you can see here, there it has been written as monitor. It means that monitor page is been opened. Now the next page will be fast set, time set. IO means input, I for input and O for output. Login means you can log in. That those things I will tell you in upcoming videos, because here right now this video is for monitor page. And here you can just set your time. You can see that here it has been mentioned as date and time. You can set it out like 3/8/2021, and the time is 12:24:53. At that time, when I took the screenshot of this particular page from the machine, that was the time. You can change it through your machine directly. There is a no issue. Easily you can change it out. Now here, these are the things like zone means your barrel is being divided in different zones for the temperature, like T0, T1, T2, T3. These are the different zones, like feed zone, compression zone and metering zone. Similar to that, your barrel is divided in different zones. And now current means, and what is the meaning of set means what the value you have setted, and that means what the value you are just feeding on your machine. For example, I have set the temperature as 180 degrees Celsius. In T1 200, T2 180, T3 160. And what is the meaning of current here? Current means that what the exact temperature your machine is delivering. For example, I have set it 180, and right now my machine is giving 33.6 degrees Celsius. Here 33.3, here 33.7. That means we have just started our machine. After half an hour, what happened? These settings will be similar to the set setting. Now here it has been written as oil. That means the temperature for your oil. For example, you have set it as 50 degrees Celsius, and right now the current value is 34 degrees Celsius. So that means that I have right now just started the machine. If it will continuously start for 30 minutes, then we can attain our set temperature. Now coming to the next, here you can see that there are several settings like pressure. Remember that pressure you will just pressure, the value, the unit of the pressure will be bar. Flow means speed. What is the speed? Total time, time will be calculated in second. Interval time you can see in second. Tonnage pressure in tons. Clamping pressure in bar. Accumulator pressure in bar. Now I'm going to tell you what are those things. Pressure means at what particular setting. For example, at the time of injection, what is the pressure of injection that you will get here? What is the speed for your screw that you will get? What is the injection speed you will get here? What is the total time you taken for injection you will get here? What is the interval time? That means gap between one process to another. What is the tonnage pressure your mold is giving? What is the clamping pressure? What is the accumulator pressure provided to your machine? These things you will get directly here. Now here is some other lighting things like heater, motor, heat finish. It means that when you will turn on the heater, the light will blink here. When you will turn on the motor, the light will blink here. And when the heating will be finished, the light will blink here. These are the simple things. Now here you can see that a machine is being the animated structure of machine is there, and along with that, it means that when the process will work, will run, then these things will also, this animation will also work. For example, if there is an injection, then this screw will comes forward and inject it out. Your mold will be closed, and at the time of ejecting out the product, this mold will be opened. So this is a simple animation. It works as similar to the animation. Now here there is check system pressure. If you want to check the system pressure, you can click here and you can directly check it out. Now here are some important things like mold name. Mold name is dummy. Right now I have set it, the name for my mold is dummy, so it will appear dummy here. You can set whatever you want at the time at the mold setting page. When you will set the particular things, for example, you have set it the mold name as Plastotech, then what happened, the mold name will come here as Plastotech. Now required production, what the required production you want. For example, here it is 10,000. What is the total site? That means how much you have produced. That is 2299. Mold close, that means the time, here you will get everything is in second. That means you will a second means it is something that talking about time. So what happened, those friends, mold close at what time, how much time the mold closing is being done. Here it will be mentioned. Mold open time. Ejector total time of the ejector will be here. Injection time will be here. Charging time and cooling time. After clicking this particular button, we will move to the next page, that is the cycle time page or action time page that I will give you in detail in the next video. So guys, please follow us, subscribe us, share our video, like our video, and just enjoy our video, learn. I will tell you each and everything in English also. I'm just trying to do so. Thank you for your cooperation. Have a nice day. Have a great day. Thank you.